Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Connecting your CE RoHS smartwatch is a quick process that helps you track your fitness and receive notifications. These watches are popular because they are affordable and reliable. First, charge your watch fully before you start. Turn on the Bluetooth setting on your smartphone. You will need to download the correct app for your specific model. Look at the user manual or the back of the box for a QR code. Scan this code with your phone to find the right application in the App Store. Open the app and create an account if needed. Grant all the requested permissions like location and notifications. This ensures the watch works correctly with your phone. Look for a button that says Add Device or Bind Device. Your phone will search for nearby signals. Select your watch from the list that appears on the screen. Confirm the pairing request on both your phone and the watch face. Once connected, your time and date will sync automatically. You can now customize your settings in the app. Choose which apps can send alerts to your wrist. Set up your health goals and personal profile for accurate tracking. Keep the app running in the background to stay connected. If you lose the connection, simply toggle your Bluetooth off and on again. Restarting both devices can also fix most sync issues quickly. Your smartwatch is now ready to use for your daily activities. This simple setup allows you to enjoy all the smart features right away. Check your battery levels often to keep it running smoothly and efficiently every single day to ensure the device functions correctly.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.